Okay, so here it is Thursday. I believe it's Thursday, the 8th, something like that. Well, you can see from the looks of this, I've cleaned the media out of the carbon filter. Don't know if you can see it in there. It's all pretty clean. I'm washing the casing, the housing. At one point, they were all in water, in mud. So, yeah, I'm going to flush all these out. I got plenty of water here. The only problem is it stinks like the sewer, and so do I now. So I got an extra thing of bleach here. So before I put this all back together and everything, I'll get some good water, mix it up, and I'll clean all the insides out with a good heavy-duty bleach solution. Yeah, this came right out. It was my bad. I thought there was a tool that was supposed to be used here to get this out. Evidently not. There's just an O-ring right there. I'll be taking all the O-rings out and doing a full-blown inspection. I've got a micrometer and some calipers, so I can order any specialty O-ring I need if I can't find them online. But we'll put some Vaseline or something on there and lube them up and get them in service. Yep, so we've cleaned all this out. So yeah, we'll move on to the water softener and then to the mixing tank. And I'm already checking on medium. This is all kind of new to me. I guess you put in some gravel here, and then I guess the good stuff is called catalytic carbon instead of just activated charcoal carbon or whatever. And it's not cheap, but I've got to still yet to get online and see the capacities for both. For everything here and order that up. I'm going to try to get a materials list and get everything online. So yeah, this washer was in there. God only knows it was falling apart. Who knows how long it was in there? But I had to yank that out. The whole bottom fell apart. I've already started here with a bag. I'm probably going to dig this out 2 foot or so. Put down some plastic, and then put down some gravel and get some bricks in here and level it out. Like I said, the tank here, it needs to be serviced and flushed every so often, so I don't want it butt up against the floor joists. So, you know, I'll just maybe dig that a little bit deeper right there so it sits in there. So anyway, yeah, we got a lot of cleaning to do, and today I'm going to make the materials list. And you know, I'll have to buy some things local, but I can save a lot of money, especially like on this PEX pipe, you know, and fittings. I'll reuse some of the 90s, they're brass, but you know, so pretty much what I've got to do here is my pressure tank and everything is over there, and that's all my electrical connections. So what I'll do is I'll have the well water come in past the pressure tank and come back over here. I've already got a set of filters there, so I'm going to filter that well water before it comes in. Okay, it's going to come in and then it'll be injected with the bleach solution into the mixing tank. Okay, out of the mixing tank into the carbon filter. Out of the carbon filter, it's going to come in to the water softener and then go back again to all the manifolds and everything. Good thing I didn't button everything up, to all my piping here. So I did a little extra work here, but you know, yeah, I can fix it all up. And you know, it's I've already got an outlet there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend that outlet. It's already a GFCI. I'll extend that over there from my low voltage power, my 120. And then what I'll do is I've got to run another line there from the pressure switch, a dedicated line, and it'll be 220, and it's going to run over here, and it's going to plug in that pump, the chlorine. The chlorine pump. And so every time the pressure switch comes on, that chlorine pump will kick in and inject chlorine. So I'll put a special outlet over there. It looks like they had an outlet here. I'll check that out and I might be able to use it. But anyway, so that's what we got going on. I'll give you an update when I get all these things clean. It's supposed to be 60 today. A couple days it's going to be raining forever. So anyway, that's it for the moment. So this is why when you rebuild everything, you start from the bottom. You just tear everything apart and you start all over. See the crack? Yipper. Oh, not a problem though. We'll put some epoxy in there. I'll sand that down, get a good surface, and I got some epoxy. It'll go right on there and fixed. But yeah, had I not inspected all this stuff and put this back in, yeah, would have been water everywhere and a mess. So no worries. We caught it, and you know, I'll pay a little closer attention to everything else. But it's an easy fix. But yep, there we go. Okay, we got all the housings and everything all clean. I've got all the tanks out with all the media and the gravel out. The only real two problems I found was this right here had a crack in it, so I JB welded it, and I'll silicone the crap out of it when the JB weld dries. And then this here, where is it? Yeah, somehow this got flattened. I don't know, I can see some stress cracks in here, but yeah, went ahead and measured the doggone thing, and it's like an inch, what, inch 2/1000, 4/1000, same as a three-quarter pipe. So yeah, I will there we go, inch 7. Nah, that's not right. Anyway, I gotta get a 3/4 inch coupler. I'll cut that section out, and there's an O-ring on here. I've checked all the O-rings, cleaned out the baskets, the strainers, and everything. So tomorrow I'll be ready for reassembly. Most of this stuff is just housing, but yeah, we'll get that done. Then I got to start digging and put all these things in there. Yeah, these need media, so I have to put them inside there because that media is going to be heavy, and I don't want to be dragging this in and out of the basement. Anyway, so I'll take some of that bleach, put it in a spray bottle, and spray down everything because the water coming in my well is dank and sewer water. So anyway, that's what we got done today. Probably do a little bit more on the inside. Doesn't that look good? All that stuff coming out of there. But we're going to clean it all out. God, everything smells bad. Anyway, on we go.